What's up, y'all? This your girl Goldmouth. I'm coming at you guys today to show you guys how I do grits, and I'm gonna attempt to do some catfish nuggets in the air fryer, y'all. So first, I'm gonna start on my grits. I can't tell y'all how to cook grits because it took me forever in a day to learn how to do them. I just get some water and I eyeball the amount of grits I want in there, and I just stir them up based on the water. Y'all gonna have to go ask somebody else how to do that. Yeah, it took me so forever to get grits right, so I don't know how to explain what I'm doing here. So I'm just gonna get these grits stirred up, and then we're gonna let those cook, and then we're gonna come back and start on my catfish. I'm gonna go ahead and add my salt to the grits now, and then I will be back to start on my fish. Okay, y'all, so what I did before my camera cut off, I had to switch cameras. I like to use this top on my grits because first of all, it's just what I'm used to, the old school way, like my grandmama and them used to do. I'm just used to seeing this kind of top, which is not a top, which is a saucer, a bowl, a plate, whatever you want to call it, a plate on top of the grits. So before, I'm just going to show you guys what the grits are looking like now. As you can see, that's what they're looking like. I'm just going to stir them up and put them back on the eye so they can cook a little bit more. Now these grits right here are, I think they Quaker quick grits. And ain't no such thing as quick grits, y'all. I'm going to just be honest with you. Because they ain't going to taste right after no 5 minutes. Say they be good in 5 minutes. No, they won't. That's a lie. Keep cooking them grits until they a lot smooth. Because I like my grits smooth. So that's my only suggestion that I can say is don't follow the time limit that's on the package of the grits. Unless you like your grits to taste gritty. Like popcorn kernels. Okay, y'all. So I got my catfish nuggets in here. So what I did was I washed the catfish and I cleaned it, rinsed off all the impurities or whatever. These are catfish nuggets. Now I bought these from Publix out of the seafood section in the back. You know, like kind of, I don't know what you call it, a deli or just the seafood section. So I'm just patting these dry. I rinse them off. Now I'm following what I seen on another YouTube video. So hopefully these come out right, y'all. I don't know who the guy was on YouTube. There was a couple of videos that I watched, so I was trying to avoid using that egg because I don't know if that egg mixture is what made my imitation crab video them taste gross, but I don't know. But this time we're not going to use eggs, so the batter won't be so thick on there. And I'm just drying these off with the paper towel. That's what he did. He said they was good now, y'all. People be lying. I don't know. It might be good to them. But dry this off with the water. Dry the water off of them. Okay, so now I got my batter right here. This is the Louisiana fish fry. This is the batter that's left over from the crab that I did the other day. And I'm going to add some Old Bay if I got any left. Got a little bit left. All I got in there. Okay, that's enough. Now I got my grits turned down real low. I'm going to turn them down real low because they done. And so now I'm going to just add these to the batter. I hope it stick. Oh, it's going to stick. Okay, okay, okay. So put each one of them in there like that. I like a little spice on my fish. So I'm going to add a little bit of cayenne pepper to this batter, y'all. Because the last time I did that, it didn't have enough heat to it to me, y'all. Just a little bit. I don't know if that's enough to do anything, but I'm going to put that in there. I think I'm going to just add them all in there at one time. But I don't want my batter to get wet. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing with all of my fish. And then I'll be back. I ain't gonna double nothing this time. This time I'm just do it this time, and then I'm gonna put them to the side, and then I'll be back to show you what they're gonna look like when I put them in the air fryer. Okay, I'm done with the catfish batter. So I didn't use any egg, y'all. So hopefully this one gonna be all right. But my husband said that I should have added salt to the batter because it's catfish. So I didn't do that step. I didn't know, but let's see. He said I should be all right. Either way, I don't need no salt. I can always, you know, if it's not salty enough, I'm gonna put hot sauce on mine anyway. So you know that'll take the, if it ain't enough salt on it, then that'll take the place of the salt. Okay. Okay, so now spray the bottom of the pan like that. Now I'm gonna spray this a little bit too. Then I'm gonna get this. Okay. Get this and put it in here. Just lay them all flat. And I preheated the air fryer, so I let the air fryer come on for about 3 minutes. And I'm just gonna lay these in there. I'm gonna flip them over as I lay, the same way I did the crab legs, so that way I can get some oil on the other side too. Try to pack them in there as good as I can. Lord, I hope these things come out good. I really, really do. Okay, we running out of room. Oh, you going in there, baby. You going in there today. One more piece. Okay, flip that over. Pull some to the side. And there it go. That's what it looked like all in there. I hope I got enough bread on it because it looked lightly breaded on some pieces. But, I mean, I know it can't be perfect, but let me see if I can get a little bit of more bread in there, just for the sake of having some more bread on the fish. I don't want no naked fish. Y'all see what I'm doing, so I don't want to leave no steps out that I didn't show y'all. So I don't want the air fryer to be a whole mess either. I got to pack that down because you know the air fryer fry with that wind be blowing in there, so I don't want this to crust to jump off. I ain't double breading, y'all. I'm just putting the bread on the parts that look like they don't got no bread on it. That's it. And then I'm going to spray it with the oil to hold that bread, that batter in place. Okay? So I'm going to go over here to the air fryer. So hopefully we get these right this time, y'all. These catfish came from Publix in the, you know, in the seafood section in the back where you have to ask the people for the food, for the seafood and stuff. And there was actually 2 whole catfish, and he cut them up into this many catfish nuggets. So it was only actually 2 pieces of catfish, and he cut them up for me. Okay, now we got the air fryer is on 400 degrees at 20 minutes. The dude say he did 15 minutes, and he flipped them over halfway, so I'll let y'all see in a second. It has been 12 minutes because I set it on 20. So let me open it and see. Okay, that's what it's looking like. Push it back some. Y'all can see that's what it's looking like. Y'all can still hear it frying. So I'm gonna flip these over like he did in his video now, y'all. I hope these ain't too tender to flip. Okay. These might take a little time to flip. Let me move them over. Let me move them over so I can flip them good. Okay, so I'm going to flip them. I think I flipped that one. I don't even remember. Okay, so we're going to have to use... Oh, they're not hard to flip. It's just so many of them in here. They just don't got no room. Okay. Ooh, Lord, I pray they be good, y'all. Okay. Put them all over. Uh-oh, that one kind of came apart. I ain't mad though, because the rest of them still held on. I'll put them back in there for 10 more minutes, and then we're gonna see. Okay, y'all, some of them did like break open, as you can see when I flipped them, but I think because this is so big and bulky right here, or maybe just a lot in there. If you got a lot, you can't flip them, you maybe need something small. I wonder if they got a small spatula that look like this. Anyway, so I had to use the spoon to flip them, try not to scrape the bottom because I don't want to scratch up my air fryer. So I'm going to put them back in, and then we're going to see. Hopefully they look good. So it has been 5 minutes because I didn't want to do the whole 10 because the guy did say 15, and this is what it looks like after 5 minutes. So it looked pretty good. I'm gonna see if I can zoom in for y'all real quick. Looked pretty good at 5 minutes. So, gotta see how these things taste. I'm gonna plate it up, and then I'm gonna let y'all know what I think. Lord, please let it be good. Okay, them grits came out real good and, you know, creamy like I like them. They're good and smooth. They're not gritty. I hate gritty grits, y'all. So I'm just gonna plate these grits on up. It's only 2 of us eating, so do a good help in there. And I don't need to add butter or salt because I added that when I cooked the grits. I don't know if I showed y'all the clip where I added butter at, but I did add butter in my grits, some light butter. Country Crock light butter spread or whatever you call it. So I'm gonna put the grits in there like that. And y'all see I cut up me a few oranges on the side, y'all. And just gonna put this fish in there. And they really didn't stick to the pan. Now I recommend you having a good spatula. Now they got a good scrape thing under the bottom that can stick in there. That can slide up under the fish. Scooby, you want to try some? Scooby don't want none. You sure I got some extra? Okay. So, plate those up, make it look like that. Let me try a piece, y'all, just for the sake of trying a piece. Okay, it looks like that up close. So up close and personal look. That is very hot. Woo, hot. Oh, y'all, we got a winner. We got a winner. I gotta show y'all my face. I gotta show y'all my face. Hold on. Oh, we got a winner this time. We got a winner. Yes, we can eat. Yesterday when I ate that crab meat, I was like, babe, can we go get something to eat after that? So we had to go get something to eat after that. When I tell you this good, we like a city girl. Let me stop. Oh man, this good for real. I'm not even joking. Try it. Do it exactly how I just did. You don't need no additional salt at all. It's perfect. Like, it's perfect, perfect. It don't taste no different than it will if it was deep fried in grease. And the benefit is it's not deep fried in grease. So got the best of both worlds. Fried catfish. Oh man. I'ma just stand right here and eat. Babe. Babe. Oh, okay, I can't do too much. All right, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go eat. This is good. Try it, y'all. Try this. Try this and let me know what y'all think. Like, I'm for real. I ain't use no egg this time. So that make me want to try those crabs again without the egg. And just one time better. I don't know. We might. I'll let y'all know. Anyway, you guys, what y'all think? Y'all let me know if I should try those crab legs again. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate y'all so much. And that's all I got to say in this video. Listen, honey. And these grits. Everything, okay? Everything. I don't need to add no additional butter because they're already good and creamy. They're already good and creamy, okay? Let me show y'all these grits up close. Grits and fish, period. Now, if y'all want to add cheese or whatever on y'all grits, y'all go to town. But I'm eating mine just like this. They already got butter, already got salt in them. I know my husband gonna add black pepper to his, but that's just how he do his. But thank y'all. Oh, I'm so glad I got a recipe. I'm gonna be cooking this all the time. Y'all gonna see fish and grits every day. Bye, y'all. This is good. This is good. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey.